Good morning, everybody. You might be saying to yourself, Dave, why are you walking around at night? Shouldn't you be in bed? Okay, it doesn't really look like night because the sun is about to come up. Yes, I said the sun is about to come up. It is about 6 o'clock in the morning. And I am walking the streets. And if you're wondering why, the answer is very simple. If you haven't been paying attention to Jeremy and Claire's channel for Riel, the description or the link to their channel is in the description below. You will know that every Sunday for about an hour in the morning, they clean up and pick up trash from their little alley and area over by the apartment where they used to live. And I decided to get up early this Saturday morning and help them do that. So we are on our way. I'd be lying if I said I was not hungover. I definitely am. I think I finished my last of 8 beers about 1 o'clock. So there is going to be a hangover factor involved. But that's okay. The goal here is not to, and again, if you go to their channel and watch their videos, the goal is not to just clean up one area. The goal is to raise awareness of the trash situation here and hopefully get locals involved so that when they no longer do this every week, that the locals will take it upon themselves to keep it going. And keep it clean. Whether that happens or not remains to be seen, but every little bit helps. So we're going right now past Watbo. There it is. The never-ending construction. What? That has been under restoration since I've been here. Hey, buddy. Oh, don't run. It's okay. He does not know what to think about this camera. But anyway, here's the thing about places like Siem Reap and other places too, I'm sure. It's not that the locals don't want to do something about the garbage. Because when they see people, especially foreigners, when they see us out there early in the morning working, cleaning up the trash around the area, they want to get involved. They're always willing to help, but most of the time they just don't know where to start or if they should start. If that makes sense. But they're always happy to get involved once they see somebody else help. And like I said, the thing is to put into their minds to keep that going, even if you don't see us white folk out there. That coffee down there? Coffee? Is that coffee? No coffee? This is a nightmare. I've made a huge mistake. There's no coffee anywhere. How do they expect me to function? How am I supposed to live? It's my worst nightmare. Hungover. And no coffee in sight. I should have made some last night. I still have quite a bit of coffee left over from when my buddy came here with that care package. You can watch that a few videos ago. I should have just made some at home. Oh well, I will soldier on. I will press on without caffeine. I don't know how anybody lives like that. Now I have to remember where their little, which alley, which of these little alleys over here, I believe it's this one up here, that they belong to. I'm not real sure. I think it's down here. Is it? I believe it's this one right here. Yeah, this is the one. As you can see from looking on, either side, their efforts from the last few weeks have proven successful. I don't see a whole lot of garbage. And this used to be pretty full. Hello, rooster. Yeah, there used to be trash lined up on either side here. Oh, come on, buddy. They do not like this gimbal. It's okay, girl. Come on. Alley dogs. So this is where they used to live, right there in this building. So we'll be going by picking up, well, I don't know if you can see that, but some trash over there. Right there. And we'll spend about an hour just leisurely picking up what we can find. Hey, buddy. Hi. All right. They should be here pretty soon. I need to know where to get coffee. Gonna find some somewhere. There's Sanglai. Alright. Talk to you guys later. And there's Jeremy. He just showed me how to work something on my gimbal.
This is the other way? This is the plane the other way? Nearly there, not too bad actually. It's come a long way.
Yeah, the alley does look good
Yeah, look at that.
compared to what it was before.
Yeah, this is the thing. This is a scary thing. There's a lot of rubbish in there. But that's our today thing. After that, pretty well done. There's the man with the machete, so don't mess with him. Take your arm off. Okay, let's get into it. Stop talking. Let's get working. Adios. Whew. Okay. Oh, I've got some gloves for you too, Dave.
What is the plan today?
Do you want to try and get probably to here?
Yes.
And we'll get in there and start. Yeah, we'll get all this done. You reckon?
That's the plan, guys. We're going to start right here. We're going to get all of this over here
Yeah.
and then up to
Oh, okay.
there.
Okay.
So that's the plan.
Mate just said that they'll clean that eventually. Yeah. Okay, cool.
Like I said, there's me and Jeremy and Seng Lai and a couple locals here. So we should be all good.
Like on top back. Just put it over there. Put it in the fire.
And we have water and bananas. So we're good. Still no coffee. But you can't have everything. Where would you put it? As the man once said. All right, we're going to get busy. Talk to you guys in a minute. Making progress. Trying to get all the garbage out of this thick brush. Progress! I'm holding this in, I'm holding the phone in my one hand awkwardly, so that's why it looks a little funny. But we have all the tools we need. We are chopping, taking a machete and rakes, like this gentleman here, getting it done. For the record, I can't believe somebody gave me a machete. Best day ever. All right, guys. So there's what we got done today. Just slowly but surely clearing out all the brush and debris from this area. This was all filled with weeds. One thing we can't get at yet, we're going to work on it next week though. Let me show you this.
You got after the thorny plant.
There we go.
Thorny. Yes, that plant.
Razor
there.
wire.
And that thorny plant.
Yeah, oh yeah, the plants are really thorny. I don't know if they were weeds or plants, but they were like giant rose thorns. Every time you went to pick it up, even with the gloves, you would get pricked. But there's a whole bunch of razor wire back there, and I guess it runs the whole length of that wall. So as soon as we, next few weeks, get all this taken care of and cleaned up, we might be able to get it. Because the more you pull on it, the more comes out, and it is stuck in there. It's obviously been a very long time. But once that whole area back there is clean, I was talking to the gentleman across the street who has his house over there. It's a situation where somebody else owns the land. They don't live in Cambodia, and he tried to buy it, but they wanted way too much money. And now there's other people involved claiming part of that land. It's a big, huge mess. But he's going to basically just, once that's all clear, he's going to make like a little community garden out of it. The man across the street that was helping us. And kind of like a squatter's garden. He's just going to do it until somebody tells him to stop. Since the person that owns it doesn't live here, shouldn't be a problem. Hey, buddy. Oh, come here. Come here, buddy. It's okay. Come here. Yeah, come here. It's okay, buddy. No? No? Okay.
Bye bye, baby. Bye bye.
Yeah. Dogs are very scared. Not used to humans. Hey, buddy. Hey. Yeah. Come here. Oh, poor guy. You think I'm going to hurt him or something? Of course I'm not. But anyway, we got that done. We're now going to head out and get some breakfast. Second, I did go and find me a coffee finally. I needed that. Ah, buddy. Oh, now he's following us. Now he's following me. I'm not sure where Jeremy went. We'll meet him at the restaurant. We both know where we're going. All right, that was my little adventure today so far. We'll be back cleaning up a little bit more next Sunday. We did have a problem with one of the machetes. The head of it came off, so kind of hammered it back in, but we couldn't really use it and start swinging it that much because until we tie it off or something, it is likely with all that swinging to go flying and hitting someone or something. And we don't want to do that. As for the rest of today, I don't really have much planned. Probably gonna wind up taking a nap while watching YouTube. I'm trying to think if there's anything else, but I cannot think of anything. And by the way, I wanted to make a correction. Earlier I said it's Saturday, but it's actually Sunday. Just to let you know, got up. It still felt like Saturday. I don't know whether to blame my age or the alcohol, but I'm going to go with the alcohol. But yes, it is not Saturday. It is Sunday. All right. I'll talk to you guys later.